Right. Last day we discussed about the copying the files and folders, and today I think we have to discuss about searching. So this is there in grade 7 too. Some of the students coming for grade 7 class. I think they have already done this, but there are some additional things to learn here in grade 8 too, right? So yes, till others join, please write down the heading. So searching for files and folders. That is the heading today. So please write down the heading. Searching for files and folders. Right? Searching for files and folders. So please turn off the mics, right? Okay. Right. Searching for files and folders. In case if you want to ask questions, you can turn on the mic and ask, but when you are idle, so kindly turn off that, then there will be less disturbances. Okay, so let me show this now. There are some, yeah, I think all
Excuse
of
me,
you have
sir.
come. Yes, Mesa?
Sir, I came to the yesterday class. Do I have to write it today too?
So there are some changes. So if you wish, you can write. If you wish, you can just remember, right? So this is not the
Excuse me,
same.
sir.
Yeah.
I joined now. What did you do?
Nothing special, just started, right? Okay,
Okay, sir.
right. So now we have to think about the searching part, how to do this. And let me show this in a normal Windows computer. Okay, for an example, if you if you want to search, you have to first go to the Explorer window, Windows and E key. And now you can see the Explorer window. There you can see in the top right corner, the search bar is there. This is the search bar. Initially, it mentioned like search in quick access. So when you go there, I think you can see search in quick access, something like this. Search in quick access. Can you see and let me know what is
Yes, sir.
there? Yes. So, but you have to
Searching
select the,
quick access.
yeah, you have to select the location based on your requirement. For an example, if you need to search in desktop, you have to select desktop from here. Then this will be changed to desktop, and here it will be changed to search desktop. So then if you go to documents, it will be changed this PC document, and here also search documents. If you go to downloads, it will be changed to search downloads. Likewise, if you want to search, for an example, let's say if you want to search C drive, you can select C drive. I have two more drives, F drive and O drive. I can search on those two. Assume that you plug a pen drive. Or memory card. I'm going to insert a memory card now. Now you can see there's a new one. There's a new one. Now under this you can see CE. E is basically this memory card which I have inserted. Okay. So first step is what? You have to go to the Explorer window. Second step, you have to select the search location from, yes, search location from the left side folder tree, right? Left side folder tree or the location window. You have to select a location to search. Okay, please write down that. Okay, first one.
So, what is the topic?
Search for files and folders. Search for files and folders. Under that, please write down. First, open the Explorer window by pressing Windows key and E key together. First, open the Explorer window by pressing Windows key and E key together. Select the location to be searched, select the location to be searched from the File Explorer tree in left hand side. File Explorer tree in left hand side. Left hand side. First one, the basic search. First one, you should know what is basic search. That's why I said if you were there in the last day in grade 7, there are some differences when you learn this. That's why I said if you really need, you have to write both.
Okay, sir.
Right. No, Gayatmi, not sharing the note in Google Drive, but we are uploading that in the, so you're asking about the note, we are uploading the note into Edmodo, and whatever important notes will be sent to you by post as a printout, right? So to do that, actually, you have to register, right? Please go to the Edmodo and fill the registration form, right? Otherwise, you will not get any posted one. So what you have to do, you have to go to the Edmodo and go to classes. I'm showing this quickly. Wait.
Excuse me, sir.
Then go to the Then go to the relevant class, grade 8 English medium. And there
Excuse me, sir.
you can see. Wait till I explain. Then I'll respond to you. Then you can go and the practical sheet is also there. And not only that, you can fill the registration form. The link is here. Yes, now you can ask the question.
Sir, I join now. What will it be?
Right. So you have to just, so we started writing a note, right? So if you're late to the class, small thing, just be patient, right? So don't be hurry because you are, I think you will be disturbing others if you are, so you have to just be patient and wait. Then I'll explain a little bit. Right, okay.
Sir, there is no video of the grade 8 English medium day 11.
Yes, there are 2 videos we have uploaded, but the thing is still we have not linked that the Edmodo. We have uploaded that, but I think today or tomorrow the linking part will be done.
Okay, sir.
Right, now here you can see the registration form. You have to click the link and fill the form, and then only we can send the postal notes, right? Otherwise you will not get any notes or relevant stuff. So please fill and submit this. That is required. No need to do in every month, right? So if you have done this, that's all. If you have done one time, that's enough. Right, okay, let's go back. So we were starting from this searching for files and folders. And now we want to know what is basic search. Type the name in the search box and click on search button. So that is the basic search. Type the name in search box and click on the search button. So what is the search button? Let me show quickly while you're writing. Here you can see when I type something, let's say I want to search by my name, Dasun. And when you click here, you can see the search button, but sometimes you will not get that. Sometimes you will get an arrow showing a search button, but sometimes when you type, immediately it will be searched. Okay. Then second one, search by file type. The second search type is search by file type. I'll give you a chance to do this, right? You can either use search options, or can either use search options or search by the extension. Search by the extension. Example, you can search asterisk.jpg, will search picture files. Asterisk.docx will search Word. Pictures, Word files. Asterisk.pptx, PowerPoint files, and asterisk.exe, what is that? Asterisk.exe,
Application software.
yes, application files. And if it is asterisk.scr, screen saver files. Okay, now, yes, you can try the basic search and search by file type. You can try the second one, search by file type. So try for this one, the last one, asterisk.scr. So write it, then try for the last one, asterisk.scr. What you have to do, when you go to this Explorer window, search, go to C drive from here, just select C. Or if you cannot select C, select this PC, then it will show you the drives. From there, you can see C drive. There, search like asterisk.scr, asterisk.scr. Okay, you can do this now. You can start searching now. Just start searching and let me know what you have, what you got. Right now, see, so you will get this results. You can just double click on one of these and see the outcome. For an example, the mystify.scr. You can see this is the output that you get. Okay, then let's try for this one, bubbles.scr, and this is the output that you get. Right? Likewise, these are screensavers. Why screensavers were used? You can right click, and if you want, you can right click and configure those. For an example, this SS3D SCR, you can just right click and just configure. And then you can put your name there. Let's say,
Excuse me, sir.
it's Dasun.
Excuse me, sir.
Okay, yes.
Sir, when I search like .scr, no files files don't come, but folders come.
That cannot be basically. So did you put any spaces there? Asterisk.scr, no spaces,
No,
right?
sir.
You cannot put any space, and you have to search on C drive. Where you search?
Oh, I searched in this PC.
Then it will take some
Sir,
time.
what are the advantages of screensaver that files?
Yes, Tihan, the advantage of screensaver file is basically protecting the screen, actually protecting the screen.
The pixels.
Yes, protecting the pixels, screen dots. Because if you put this screen like this for a long time, you can see the pixels are lighting up in the same illumination, same power is given to the pixel. But pixel means the smallest dot, smallest unit in the screen. But what will happen if you turn on a bulb for a long time? What will happen if you turn on a bulb for a long time without turning that off? If you put that on for a long time, there's a high potentiality to get it damaged. So screensaver is basically looking after that, changing the intensities of these pixels, changing the powers of these pixels to give it some exercise. Right? Yeah, exercise එකක් දෙන්නේ. දැන් අපි එකතන වාඩි වෙලා හිටියොත් ගොඩ කාල අපිට ඇවිදින්න බැරි වෙනවා. හරි එකතන හිටියොත් ගොඩක් කාල ඒ වගේ තමයි පික්සල් එකක් එකම කාලයකින් දිගා ගොඩ කාලයක් තිබ්බොත් so usually what will happen no එහෙම නැත්නම් ඔයාලා දැකලා තියෙන වාහනයක් ගොඩ කාලයක් එකතන තිබ්බොත් basically that vehicle will the components of the vehicle have high potential to get damaged. So actually screensaver is giving exercises to the screen pixels, so making sure that it is not damaged. So this SS text 3D one, you can right click configure and give your name there like this. Right click configure and you can give your name there, and after giving this you can just right click and test, and then you can see your name. Right, so this can be done if you want.
So what happened when we click install?
Sorry,
What happened when we click install?
so that is already installed. So if you click install, nothing will happen other than showing this in this screensaver settings because it's already installed. But if it is a new one, it will get installed. If it is a new one, it will get installed.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
Sir, my folder is empty, sir.
Which one?
When I type dot asterisk.scr, it's empty.
Where did you search? Location?
Local DC.
C asterisk dot.
Yes, sir.
So how you search? SCR or SER?
Yes. SCRT, sir.
It cannot be basically, but anyway. So in case if you got empty results, let's see in the practicals that normally it cannot be. This is Hiruka, no?
Yes, sir.
So your machine is always giving abnormal results. I'm not sure whether you're using a Windows PC or something else. Right? Because so it is not usual. Usually you will get. This is usual. Right? I think you are doing maybe your character. Sometimes the characters or some mistakes should be there. So just copy the same text. I'm sending this. Copy the same text and try to give. That is asterisk.scr. I think you are doing small mistake when typing. Otherwise, it should be there. Or you can go to C, go to this location and see whether it is there. C, Windows, and in C, Windows folder, there's something called System32. C, Windows System32. There you can see bubbles.scr here. That is the location. If it is there, the search result should give that. Otherwise, your search is not working. It is there in the C Windows System32 folder. Right? You can see there that you can find the error by yourself. If file is there, if it is not searched, that means a big issue. That means your search is not working. Okay, let's go back to our note. Just include what is SCR, screensaver. So we learn about a new file type, that is screensavers. What are they? These files are used to save screen pixels. Pixel is the smallest unit in the screen. This is done by giving a range of intentions to the pixel. This is done by giving a range of intentions to the pixel. Yes, I have sent you a path. What you have to do, you have to go to the run dialog box, this one, Windows button and R key, then it will give the run dialog box, this one, and you have to paste that. Just paste the text that I have sent, this one. If it is running, means you have the stream server in your C drive, but you have some error in your.
I have it.
Yes. So those who got the errors, I need your feedbacks. So Gayatmi, and I think there's another one, Hiruk. You said that you are not getting. So you have to just go to the run dialog box, this one. And in the run dialog box, you have to type this and click OK and see. Then if it runs means in your computer you have it, but your search has some error. Maybe it's your error or your computer's fault. Something else. Some of these. ඔයාගේ error එකක් වෙන්නත් පුළුවන්, computer එකේ error එකක් වෙන්නත් පුළුවන්. You can try this. Hiruka, can you try? Gayatmi, can you try and let me know?
Sir, it is
It's working, no?
Sir, it works.
Then I think the problem is with,
Sir, it works.
yes, I think the problem is with your search. Maybe.
Sir, can you do it again?
So go to Windows and press Windows key and R key. That will display this run dialog box. Then you have to copy and paste the path that I have sent to you in the chat section. That is c:/windows/system32/bubbles.scr. Click OK. Then you can see it's running. If it is running, your search has some error because your file is there, but your search cannot search it. Maybe you can give the exact name and search if you want. Give the exact name and search. Then that will also work. Give like this. Give the exact name and search. The correct name and search. Then it should work. Right, okay. So now we know how to search basically. Now what we have to do is, we have to study what are these things. What is this date modified? And what is the kind? What is size? What is other properties? What is search, recent searches? And what is advanced options? Okay, now we are going to learn about that. So we have many things to learn here. Right, let's search. Now I just want to search. Assume that I just want to search a picture file. Here from kind, I'm going to select picture file. I just want to see a picture. Okay, then I know this is modified. This has modified in last week. And I can also remember the size. So size should be somewhere around 1 to 16 megabyte. In size, I'm searching that. Then it will give me the results. It's working. Then it should give me the results of pictures modified during last week. And the size should be between 1 to 16 megabytes. So likewise, you can use the search options. Here you can see the search options are listed there. Okay, let's try. Let's quickly draw the search option bar. So quickly draw this. Right. So if you cannot draw this, please write the names because names are important, right? Names and the numbers. Just write the names and numbers. Date modified, it is number 1. Then kind is number 2. Size is number 3. Search options number 4. Sorry, search options. Search recent searches number 5. Advanced options number 4. Just number it. So this highlighted area, right? Just number it. And I'm going to give the note according to these numbers. That's why I'm asking to number. Please write the name and the number. Date modified is number 1. Kind is number 2. Size is number 3. Recent searches number 5 and advanced options number 4. Right. If you want to always put the stream server or some kind of animation there, you have to go and download animated wallpaper. But stream saver is for saving purpose. ඕනම දෙයක් ඕනවට වැඩි ඕනේ නැහැ කියනවනේ. ඒ වගේ ඒ saving purpose තියෙන එකත් හැම වෙලේම දාලා තිබ්බොත් if you put that always, your screen will simply damage due to over exercise, right? So that will happen. Therefore, but you can still, if you wish, you can download. There's something called live wallpaper or animated wallpaper. You can download those and put it in your screen. That is not screensaver, that is wallpaper. Okay, after drawing this, so let's write down the note, just one by one. One is used to search based on the date last edited. One is used to search based on the date last edited. It can also be used for forensic investigations. It can be also be used for forensic investigations. What is forensic? Just
Legal.
not just legal. It's like so you know, when something happened, when a criminal happened, and some kind of things, cyber criminal. In real criminal also, this is there. So you know, have you heard of that? Rasa parikshaka varta. So have you heard of that? That is called forensic. Yeah, that is forensic investigation. Right? He's not going to taste, right? so but you know, that is called forensic. Forensics means in Sinhala you call Vyoharika Vidyava කියලා කියන්නේ. So you are going to reinvestigate, or you are going to search and find out what has really happened by analyzing things. So forensic investigation is something like that. So why this forensic investigation is? Because you can see whether the file is edited recently. You can see which files are edited recently. So those are some indicates of unauthorized access. Maybe unauthorized access can be from your brother, right? එහෙම වෙන්නත් පුළුවන්. ඔයාගේ මල්ලි ඔයා නැති වෙලාවේ කම්පියුටර් එක ෆයිල් වගේක් edit කරලා, or installed new files, or added new files, or virus has edited some files. To find out, you can use this search, date modified one. Then you can see if there is a file, very important file, which is recently modified and it is not by you, then there should be some data leakage. Right, okay. So the second is this kind, is used to select the file type. This can also be done using file extension search, such as asterisk.jpg. That is extension search. Number 3 is used to select the file size. For an example, if you can remember, there are movies and cannot find the location. Or if you want to free some space by removing large files, this can be useful. You can search the large files, for an example, gigantic files. You can search for gigantic. Size equal, sometimes you call gigantic or gigantic. Then it will give you very large files, larger than 4 GB. Then you can decide whether those files are needed or not. And based on that, you can free some space. If you delete such files, you will save, like, so if you delete 5 files, 4 GB, it will save 20 GB. That is more space. Sometimes you can see there are some duplicate files, especially if those files are very large, so you can remove one copy and get some space. Okay, number 4, so which is advanced options. From advanced options, you can decide whether to search A, content, B,